And jersey number 1, puts it up. Bye-bye to you. By Darwin Duenas. And jersey number 7, spinning wall. Jersey number 21, Ibarreta. Pass jersey number 7 to number 9, the Nightmare, Mr. Lizano. Ang may tama ng bola. Pass jersey number 8, Jasper Nagabang, puts it up. No good. And jersey number 8, Duenas. To bottom, jump on the side. Good for the board. And jersey number 8, Duenas, down the ladder with exhibition move. Pull-up jumper, yes, Torres. By just. And jersey number 7, Osoy. And Kapigan, jersey number 9, steal by Bangka. The ultimate Pinoy Managers ultimate. The ultimate Pinoy jersey number 8. With isolation, Cota Reyes. Jersey number 1, picks it up. And again, Kapigan. Same ball. And jersey number 7. Number 7, Osoy. Dancing on the floor. 5 seconds to shoot. And steal. Jersey number 8. The court general, Mr. Duenas. Crossing the midcourt. Setting the table. Jersey number 8. And shot clock down to 10. Jasper spinning bomb. Dos puntos. 81. Puts it up. No good. Kapigan, mangingibabaw. Jersey number 8. Nice shot by Dunga. More. Andiyan ba? And jersey number 8. Duenas on the go. Step back. No good. Nakapulot. Jersey number 9. Lizano. And steal by the cover guys. And jersey number 13. Cabrera. Atake. In and out. Rebound jersey number 8. Duenas. The court general ang magtitimon. Jersey number 8 on the goal. And shot clock down to 10. And steal by Reyes. Jersey number 22. Trabiling violation. Jersey number 9, Lizano setting the table. To jersey number 1, just Duenas to Lizano. No good. Kapigan, mangingibabaw. Jersey number 8, aatake to Atatan. No good. And jersey number 7, Bangka, aatake to number 22. Puntos. Ano? Pass to jersey number 8, taking his mark to jersey number 9. Number 9, aatake, bubuwagin ang defense ng Tower Guns. And number 1, with a pink, 5-second shot clock. And jersey number 11, si Mauni, outside pa rin. And there's to number 24, Ibarreta, 5 no good. Rebound by Atatan, mangingibabaw. Offensive foul, jersey number 11. And jersey number 13, Mr. Cabrera. To number 7, 5. No good. Rebound by number 11. To Lizano ang magtitimon. Jersey number 9, crossing the midcourt. Lizano. And jersey number 27, 5-second shot clock. Nice shot. Lucky bounces. And jersey number 7, Osoy. No good. Cabrera for the power rebound. And jersey number 7, Osoy. And Simpahoy. Dos puntos. And jersey number 9 to number 8 down the ladder. Jersey number 8 on the go. Aatake Duenas. Makita Banag. Good for you. Lizano. Lizano down the letter. Pass to jersey number 8, Dueña ang may taka ng bola. Jersey number 8 setting the table with a crossover, turn around, and jumper is good by Jasper Dueña. Hoson sa gilid. 10 seconds to play. Silbahoy to number 7. Number 7, 5 seconds away. Nice shot. Good for two. Pass jersey number 7, Hoson. Pass jersey number 2, Reyes. Reyes. Soft ball. Jersey number 8, Dueña setting up the play. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Stop. Bomb. No rebound. Mamatakali na jersey number 27. Good pursuit. Reyes. Acting like a point guard. Stop. Bomb. No rebound. Jersey number 9, Lizano. Pass jersey number 8, Dueñas. Dueñas cross over. Jersey number 8. Little for teammate. Pass jersey number 11. Zigzagging move. Abel Sariso. Offensive foul. Here comes jersey number 7, Hoson. Number 7, crossover move. Jersey number 7, speeds. Good pursuit. Jersey number 9, Lizano. Number 9, stop and pump. Long two, no good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Rebound. Pass jersey number 31. Number 31. Pass jersey number 10, Padilla. Here comes Padilla to jersey number 31. Long two, no good. Rebound, jersey number 6. Pass jersey number 8, Runga to jersey number 7, Hoson. Here comes jersey number 7, pass to Reyes. Pass jersey number 7, Hoson, setting up the play. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 7, stop, long two. Good pursuit. Inbound, pass jersey number 8, 5 seconds on the shot clock. To jersey number 31, good pursuit. Here comes jersey number 22, Reyes. Get the basket. Not make a sound of foul. Number 9, pass jersey number 8, Dueñas. Here comes jersey number 8. 10 seconds on the shot clock, Dueñas. Stop, long two, good two, for jersey number 8. Here comes jersey number 7, Hoson. Hoson setting up the play, pass jersey number 22, Reyes. Reyes from inside pass, Roper, good pursuit. Inbound, pass jersey number 8, Dueñas. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Stop, pabitin na tira. And there's a whistle. Here comes jersey number 8, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8, zigzagging move, lays it off, no rebound, jersey number 21. Number 21. Pass to jersey number. Here comes jersey number 17, Bobby Len, no rebound, jersey number 9, jersey number 7. Zigzagging move, rebound. And jersey number 8, Dueñas, dancing on the floor. Loose ball, jersey number 31. Jersey number 8. Number 8, binang sa number 21. Nakalusot, iniwanan. And thus, puntos by JD Jasper. Number 24, to number 7, Hoson. Dancing on the floor. And Rita puts it up. Mr. JD. Starting at the ball, jersey number 8, JD will turn around, losing the ball, and jersey number, and Paul, jersey number, Lizano down the letter, jersey number 1, Paul, no good, rebound by Cabrera, jersey number 7, Hoson on the goal, and no good, number 7, Hoson. Nice shot, good for two. 5 seconds. Jersey number 24, Ibarreta to jersey number 7. JP number 8 is just number 1. No. And that's a real big deal. That's number 7. Also, that's a ball on the way. Also, on the break. No, the win. And the bulldog is served against Justin Number. At 7-6 minutes and 49 by to Justin Number. Almost a troubling violation. Says the referee ng team. Kai Kai, and puts it on from the downtown, no good. Leave away the ball. Lizano on the break. Inside, all the line. Justin number 7. Pass to Justin number 7. Also, he discarded. Brian to Justin number extra pass. Yes, sir, from Justin number 2. Bringing down the letter. Shaman discarded the ball. General. Who will do his mistake. Follow the downtown. Yes, sir. Pass to Justin number 22, Reyes and Discovery. Pass to Justin number 8, inside, extra cross sa ilalim, puts it up and score! It's a double digit ang kalaban team, Dominance. JP naman yung second again, Port General. Pagkakang po, Pilipino, hindi mo palagi din. JP on 3 point, and by the 11, on 34, 44. Justin number 22, answer! Find to Justin on 24, naiwan bukas, no! Keep it alive now with the Justin number. Then midway sharper, score of Justin number 11. JP up on Justin number 18. Then upon top of Justin number 18. Lamang pa rin ang team Dabargas. JP being on the lever. Good Justin number 18, second forward. Pass to Justin number 24, Ibarretas, Shelgumir, pass to number 7, passing with Father. Coston, the defense on the Lizano, finding Justin number 8, inside, puts it up, on the left. 22 for the win time for the third quarter. 39-53, Lizano the double team. Lizano, inside, to Justin number 11, on the left, Hauser, to Justin number 11. To Coston, inside, and the two defenders. JP, the Port General na dito sa atin. Habang Justin number 10. JP works long. No, inside. We were the battle of the ball. Just out line. Lizano, shut up. Boston is Garte. Boston. Pushing the fake. Boston pa rin. With the screen. And the line is goal. 43-57. Jersey number 7. Panga to number 22. Puts it up. Nugget. And jersey number 31 is more extended the ball. And jersey number 8. And the ball jumper Nugget. Rebound jersey number 7. And jersey number Cabrera goes Punton. Jersey number 9 on the goal. And there's Scota. Foul jersey 7. Number 7, Panga. Atake at Discarte. And offensive foul jersey number 7. Second number. Jersey number 8. Number 8, speeding move. Lizano puts it up. Nugget. Tapping out to Elias. Number 8, standing with the table. Looking for a brand to jersey number 24. Bye! Nugget, rebound by number 27. And nakadukot. And Bye! Bang bang to Pudos. Jersey number 8. Pumayas. Spinning move. Nugget. Rebound by jersey number. Nice shot. Jersey number 27. Hossan setting the table. Looking for jersey number 6. Nakita sa gilid. Dunka back to number 6. Dunka and Dunka connection. Oika. Jersey number 27. To jersey number 7. 10 seconds. Ang magtitimon, jersey number 7, Hosoin. Aatake to jersey number 22, shot clock down to 8 sa gilid. Magtatangka. And pull-up jumper by jersey number 7. Taylor, jersey number 22.